Hello happy souls, this is my third restoration project, this time with Suzuki Samurai. We are in unboxing part 7 and with carburetor float, some rubber parts and cylinder stud assembly. And this is the carburetor float assembly from Natco brand. It is a Delhi based company and the pricing is rupees 70. The pricing is Jan month 2024 Chennai pricing, and it may vary depending upon the seller. And this is the same brand, which we bought for Suzuki Max 100R, our first restoration project, the repair kit. And inside it is it is made up of copper, and the modern one comes with plastic part. And you can check whether it is if you hear any splashing noise inside it, that means it has a hole and the petrol has entered inside the float. And this is the side panel rubber parts. One is missing, it would be somewhere else. This is for one for the side door stud, and another one is near the tank part. And this is the seat rubber assembly, and this is 62 rupees from SJ brand, Swati seals from Teni, from Tamil Nadu. And this is the one which we saw for the other like front footrest and some other parts, the fork boot and other things. And this is how it comes. These two are the front and back part, 3 for the center one, and 2 for the left and the right. This is for the seat assembly, and this is also from the same brand, and the price is 52 rupees for the front fork assembly. And this is also the same one which we already installed for the Suzuki Max 100R, and it's being now 2 years, 1.5 years to 2 years. It is still working fine, and you can see some little cracks here and there. And this is the vent hole. When it absorbs the shock, it compresses and releases the air inside it, and it has to be done. And finally, this is the stud. Actually, the previous owner has replaced it with another one brand. It was protruding outside a little, and so I wanted to change the entire thing. And this is it. I don't know the pricing, and that's all.